Okay guys, I am entering into Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth, passing the famous St. Elizabeth Technical High, guys. So I'm going to do the drive-through now to see what the town is like. So we have to take our time to go into the town. Remember, today is the 24th. Oh, police! Police! Oh my God! Remember, today is the 24th of December, and this is when they do celebrate Gran Market. And Santa Cruz now, guys, is celebrating, and people are shopping and doing all of that to get their Christmas presents and everything. So this is what the evening looks like. This is the afternoon. So, toys, KFC full. See a lot of jerk chicken going on. Jerk chicken pan. So they're going to have a lot of jerk, you know, chicken, pork, whatever it is. That is what is going to be available to straight up to tonight. Caney, selling cane right there. Jerky again. Children, parents, they're all enjoying this and they're all having fun throughout this Gran Market. So they turn here into a one-way, guys, to limit the amount of traffic that normally goes through. So you have to go all the way around to come back into the town, end up on the back road. But it gives shoppers more space so that they can walk and shop and get what it is that they want. So the families, the communities, the farmers, the dressmakers, everyone is out and they are selling like crazy. People in this wonderful place called Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth Gran Market, you know. So it's a big turnout now, so you can imagine tonight, because guys, it is now 3 in the evening. It is now 3 p.m. So, and this is what the crowd is like. So tonight, I know that there will be a bigger crowd, you know, to come and to support and to buy what it is that they have available here in the town of Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. People are out in their numbers. And they're shopping. So, jerk chicken, man. Everything. Families, baby, sweet little baby there with mommy. Enjoying themselves. So tonight will be grand, later will be greater. And that down by the market way is a one way as well. No right turn. So it's a one way. So that's what has been happening so far, guys. I'm going to go around and then come back up through the market to see what's happening in that area. Go back all the way around. Guys, I'm just driving through the market to see what has been happening so far. So we're in the Santa Cruz market. You see everybody, farmers, buyers, producers, they're all preparing for tonight, because remember it's after 3 now in the afternoon. But we have a good turnout so far. People shopping, selling their produce, their banana, potato, vendors eating. So they're being supported. They're all being supported. So shoppers on both sides. It's not bad though. Turn out not bad at all. Lovely hairstyles. So later will be greater.
Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of